Whether you're looking to get a competitive edge in an esports game or just want a smoother experience while using your PC, this video will help you get some extra performance from your monitor very easily. Before I begin, I should mention that overclocking your monitor can cause ghosting or artifacts. To begin, you're going to want to go to your search bar and go to the NVIDIA control panel. Or on AMD, you're going to go to AMD Radeon, or whatever software you have for AMD. So you're going to want to go to change resolution, or in AMD, display settings. You're going to go to customize, or I think on AMD it is custom resolution. Then you're going to go create custom resolution. It'll probably show you a message that's kind of like a warning, but you can ignore this. It really isn't something that can actually damage your hardware. So you're going to want to go to where it says refresh rate, and you're going to want to start putting it up 2 to 3 at a time. I'd say 2 minimum and 8 maximum. I wouldn't do more than 8. So for this, I'm just going to go up to 50, which is a 6 difference. That's all you got to do. Just do test, or on AMD apply, and then you have a new custom resolution, and all you have to do with this is go over there, click on it, and do apply. Should be the same for AMD. And once it's applied, you will be running at whatever refresh rate you chose, and it's going to be different for everyone. Maybe not the first one that you do, but the maximum that you're able to do is going to be different. And then what you're going to want to do now is just go out of here and just play some games for like half an hour. It could even be less than that, because if you do notice a problem long term, the main thing is that you need to know how to fix it, which I will be showing you. So during the testing, you're going to want to look for some flickering. You can look at the ghosting and artifacts, like seeing kind of like double, I guess you could say, when you're looking around and stuff. And just in general, display not quite working as smooth as you would like, and especially flickering. You definitely don't want flickering. And if you want to have those effects lessened, or obviously if it's flickering, you're going to go back to the control panel. You might have to, so I had a problem with this before where I had to go and apply the native resolution, then go back to customize and do it. You do actually have to go back to the default resolution before you change it. So you're going to apply the default resolution, go to customize, and go to edit, and then you're going to go and just turn it up once again. Now, what you're going to want to do is just keep putting this up and up until one of a couple things happen. There's a couple things that can happen while you are doing this that kind of like a sign to stop, don't go any further. And so you're going to go back into testing, go play a game. You could do a benchmark like 3D Mark. I wouldn't recommend Cinebench, but just something that would get the frame rate up to hopefully at or higher than the refresh rate that you have it on. And that is going to test it the most. Really, the main thing that you just don't go any further is the flickering. That happened to me, and I went back like 1 hertz, didn't flicker anymore, completely stable, and it was pretty much the same. So another thing that you're going to be looking for is going to be an error message, and this will happen before you test it. it's just sometimes your display, it just won't even allow it to get that high of a refresh rate. And when that happens, there's not much you can do. You just turn it back, keep turning it down by one or two. I recommend one just because that's going to be the most precise. And that is all you got to do. It's very simple. I hope that this helped you, and I hope that this was enjoyable, and I hope that you enjoy the benefits of your higher refresh rates. And be sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and leave a comment if you have any questions, and I will reply to them. Thanks for watching.